ना ये युद्ध ना अब लड़ पाऊंगा मैं। रखता हूं धरा के धनुष और बाण। ये है मेरे युद्ध में पूर्ण विराम।
बंधुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्ते तात्मैव शत्रुवत्। हे Parth, for those who have conquered the mind, it is their friend. But for those who have failed to do so, the mind works like an enemy.
संन्यासं कर्मणां कृष्ण पुनर्योगं च शंससि यच्छ्रेय इत्योरेकं तन्मे ब्रूहि सुनिश्चितम्. O Madhav, you praised karma sannyas and you also advised to do karma yoga. Please tell me decisively which of the two is more beneficial.
नेय स नित्य सन्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न कांक्षति निर्द्वंदो हि महाबाहो सुखम बंधात् प्रमुच्यते. Hey Parth, our hearts are rough and unfinished because of the endless lifetimes of attachment in the world. So, Karmyogis work with devotion, are equipoised in the results, and practice attaching their mind to God.
नष्टो मोह स्मृतिर्लब्धा त्वत्प्रसादान्मयाच्युत स्थितोऽस्मि गतसन्देह करिष्ये वचनं तव. O infallible one, by your grace my illusion has been dispelled and I am situated in knowledge. I am now free from doubts and I shall act according to your instructions.
हे अर्जुन, उठो अब और जाकर धर्म युद्ध लड़ो. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानम्